Has your pull-out kitchen faucet lost water pressure or started showing hard water buildup on the spray head? In this video, I'll show you how to clean a pull-out kitchen faucet head by removing hard water deposits, clearing debris from the screen, and restoring better water flow. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Pull-out faucet heads and internal parts may vary slightly depending on the faucet model. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Start by mixing a solution of CLR and water in a bowl. This is where the faucet head and screen will soak during the cleaning process. Next, remove the faucet head by twisting the connector counterclockwise. Once it's disconnected, remove the O-ring and place it somewhere safe so it doesn't get lost. To keep the pull-out hose from sliding back into the spout, secure it with duct tape. Now use a tool, pick, to remove the plastic screen from the back of the faucet head. If you notice rust or small rocks trapped inside the screen, place the screen into the cleaning solution to soak. Then place the faucet head into the same solution and let both parts soak for a few minutes. Step 2. Clean. After soaking, place the bowl in the sink and put on latex gloves. Using a small scrub brush with plastic bristles, scrub the outlet of the faucet head to remove the hard water buildup. If some of the spray ports are clogged, use the bristles on the brush to open them up. Next, use the tool pick to finish removing any rust and small rocks from the plastic screen. Once everything is clean, pour out the cleaning solution and check the debris that was removed from the parts. Step 3. Reassemble. Rinse the faucet head and the plastic screen with clean water. Reinstall the plastic screen, replace the O-ring, and thread the faucet head back onto the pull-out hose by turning the connector clockwise. Remove the duct tape and slide the hose back into the spout. Finally, turn on the faucet and test the water flow. If the cleaning was successful, the faucet should have noticeably better flow, and the spray function should work much more effectively. That's how you clean a pull-out kitchen faucet head and improve water flow. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.